Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss surds. Okay. Now, a surd is an irrational number of the form under root n. Again, a surd is an irrational number of the form under root n where n is a positive integer and it is not a perfect square. N is positive integer and n is not perfect square. Okay. Under root 2, under root 5 and square root 7 are all examples of surds. Under root 9 is not a surd because under root 9 is equal to 3 square under root, that is 3. So it is a perfect square, so it is not a surd. Other examples of surds are 2 plus under root 5, under root 7, square root 7 minus square root 2, and etc. etc. Okay. When an answer is given using a surd, it is normally an exact answer. When the answer is given in a surd, it is normally a exact answer. Okay. Now let's see how can we solve some surd questions. Let's suppose we have square root 6 square root 11 plus 3 square root 11. So I can simply add. I will add a whole number with a whole number. 6 plus 3 is 9 and under root 11 will be as it is. So the answer is 9 square root 11. Let's have a look at another example. Minus 2 under root 7. So 5 minus 2. What do I get? 3 under root 7 is the answer. Okay. Now let's have a look at another question. Simplify 4 into 5 minus under root 3 minus 2. 5 under root 3 minus 1. Okay. 4 5s are 20 minus 4 under root 3 minus 10 under root 3 plus 2. 20 plus 2 is 22. Minus 4 minus 10 is minus 14 under root 3. So the answer is 22 minus 14 under root 3. Okay. Let's have a look at some other operations on surds, multiplication, division, and simplification of surds. Okay, how do we do under root 3 into under root 5? Simple. That is under square root 3 into 5, so that is square root 15. So this is the answer. Okay, now let's move on towards the next question. Square root 8 whole square. How am I going to solve this? Square root 8 square means square root 8 into square root 8. So that is equal to 8 into 8. So that is equal to square root 64 and that is equal to 8. Now you should know that square root n into square root n is equal to n. This is the general formula. Okay. Now let's have a look at another question. 2 under root 5 into 3 under root 3. Yes. How am I going to solve this? Simple. I will multiply 2 with 3. 2 multiplied by 3 I get 6 into 5 into 3. So that is 6 square root 15 is the answer. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at another question. So this is under root 75 minus square root 12. Square root 75 minus square root 12. Okay, now can I write 75 as 25 into 3 and 12 as 4 into 3. So that is under root 25 into under root 3 minus under root 4 into under root 3. Okay, so square root 25 will be written as 5 under root 3 minus square root 4 will be written as 2 under root 3. Okay, so this is how we solve it. So the answer is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 under root 3 is the answer. Okay, so I hope you understood it. Let's move on towards another question. Simplify under root 77 over under root 11. Square root 77 over square root 11. How am I going to solve this? Simple. I will take the square root common. 77 over 11. What is 77 over 11? 7. Square root 7 is the answer. Simple. Okay. So this is how we simplify surds and perform different operations like multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. And whenever we have an answer in surd, we normally have an exact answer. Okay, so practice with more questions and see you in the next video.